Hey, it's Will here from TDG. As you may have seen, I've got a little video camera thing of me in one of these corners, and that's me because I've seen Chris Huntingford and Keith Watling do it. I thought I want to join in on this and let people see my face too. So I'm here with a new feature. Well, actually, it's a feature that's been around for ages, but it's something we haven't really shouted about just yet. So you get those ideas. You think, oh Christ, I've got a great idea for the Microsoft stack, or I've got I've got a great Power Apps idea, or I know a way of. Well, I know I want to integrate customer engagement, finance, and ops, throw in a little bit of talent, sprinkle across the Power Platform, but actually, I don't know how to do all that. But I know I'm surrounded by a community who does. Well, now, don't worry. You've come to TDG, you've looked at the blogs, realised there's no blogs on this particular article you want. You've asked a question to your community, you've got back an answer that you're thinking, right, I know that's right, but I don't know how to do it. So don't worry, you can create a project. So you go to the community collaboration portal and you can scroll down and we can select create a project. Now, what this will allow you to do is create a project where you can invite your skilled members of your community in to assist you. So we can have something along the lines of Power App, and it can be for maybe customer management. So here you can set the status of a project. Is it in planning stage? Have you reviewed it? Is it in progress? Is it done? Are you archiving it? Well, we're going to actually plan this now. We can select the start date and the end date. Some might say, actually, a bit of time on this. It is a community project. I'm happy if it's done by the 30th of April. I can track it. So there's a progress bar that will let you know how far along your project is. So you can either do that by time or by tasks. I prefer by task because, many times we've set off with a good idea in mind and then time just ran away from you. So here you can select which category it's part of, just in case other members want to see what projects are out there and may want to assist you. Right, now Power Apps. Who do I know is good at Power Apps? Lord Huntingford, the Chris Meister. Let's get him in. Okay, so Chris, we're going to go to Chris Huntingford. So he's a member of TDG. He can assist us. He'll be notified that he's been added to this project, and then we can. I'll show you how he can find out more about it in just a moment. Here you have settings. So only the author can edit. So only I can edit, or if I want Chris to be able to edit as well, I can untick this. Is the to-do list enabled? It is, because it'll help us track the project. And do I want to have my own special file manager where I can upload and download files only for this project? It doesn't feed into the Power Apps bank. It's purely just for this project. So I'm going to say yes. I can give it a bit of a description. This project is to assist with creating a customer management app, and give it a lot of detail and add images and say, this is what I want it to do. These are the sort of things that this is how I want it to look. I want it to be able to manage my customer addresses, maybe even, things such as contact information of telephones, etc. Whatever it may be, whatever you need, throw it in there, and then simply select create project. So I know this video is going on for a little bit, and I normally try and keep this for a few minutes, but I want to make sure I get the full richness of this functionality across. So straight away you can see project created. Now, the next stage is to look at the to-do list. Or actually, sorry, I skipped the fact that, here you can see your description. You can see your who's assigned. You can start sharing this if you want to share this on your social feed to get more people interested. You can see the category tagged. And actually, if we skip back to the main overview of all the projects, we'll actually be able to see the progress as well. So the next thing is to start assigning tasks. So I'm going to do something along the lines of so this is just saying, do you want to spread the word? Catch up with Chris would probably be the best place to start. Due date, I want to do that by the end of the week. Hey Chris, when are you free to chat around this idea? Because I know you'll love it and it's awesome and you're awesome. Here we go. And we're going to write in Chris here so we can assign it to him. And because he's part of TDG, he will get an email going, hey, new project, you've got a task assigned, go check it out. Okay, so as you can see, this is actually said it's done, and we can actually say, open this up and say, hey, Chris, when are you free to chat about this? And we can actually see Chris is assigned here as well. Now, this is really cool. So this allows you, so say we're creating a Power App, you might want to share the Power App with each other. The MS app file, the zip file. You can actually just add files to your own secure area. So here we're going to go, I'm going to select this little Twitter GIF, and I was actually, that's what I want, file up. Imagine this was just like a Power Apps file. So that will go actually into the main part of the document management system for this particular project. I'm just going to refresh the screen to bring that through. Here, if it's an image, I can actually just click on the image itself, and what it does is it's going off and it's bringing that image back. And here we can see just tweet. I can download it by clicking here, or I can just click off. Now, last but not least, this is really quite handy because you've got quite a few people working on this. You can start actually typing messages. Say, hey, stuck on something, and you can just go and post that. You can do and you can actually say Chris. I can say tag him in. This is if I want to spread it again. Or you can just reach out via IM. I can say, okay, new conversation. Or I can actually see I've got one already opened with him there. And that will let you instant message each other. And if he's not around to click that message, he will receive an email. So hopefully you can see that this is a really, really handy part of the functionality of the site. You can go back and look at the overall projects as well if you so wish. We do have a competition coming up that will leverage this site. So you may have seen some hints around a Power Platform competition that's actually about spreading the goodness of that community and the skilled and brilliant people that are inside it and helping some of the others. But of course, there will be prizes, there will be empowerment, there will be enthusiasm, and there will be awesomeness. So really excited to announce this, but hopefully you guys can see the power of this project functionality. We'll speak soon. It's getting quite late here, so it's probably best I go to bed. Take care, guys.